All right, guys, let's go take a look at Tesla. As I stated, we would. Let's go find. Oh, that was Apple. Sorry, I got a little ahead of myself there. We're going to look at Tesla. Okay, so we have Tesla on here now, and we're stating that due to the way that this configuration is, we're looking for a bounce, and I'm thinking that, well, by the end of the year, we could certainly be up into this 3 and 400. However, we still can make some lows before the end of the year, and we spring back up. So let's go take a look at what Python thinks we might be doing. Let's go take a look at, so we're just going to close this Bitcoin module here. Let's go run our program now in Python. Here we are. Here's our program. We're going to now run our program. Let's run module. It's just taking a minute to create all the stuff. And there we go. So it's asking us now in this launcher to enter the market symbol. So we're going to say Tesla. And let's enter that. We're going to say what year. Well, we want a 2026 forecast. Let's take a look at what it's going to state. Sorry, that's my stomach growling. Okay, so it's preparing and loading, and it's given us a directive here for what the year may look like. Lots of volatility. It's calling for a July here. It's stating that a low side timing weight is very high, and are we seeing a low in that right now? Well, let's just go have a look. We're going to let this run the program, and let's go have a look at Tesla right now. Yeah, so the provision for it having a low right now has been very high, and of course the program module has picked that up. Let's go take a look at the explainable forecast intelligence for Tesla for the year 2026, and it's stating a potential high around, this area of July 17, which we did see a bit of a spike there. Let's go actually take a look and see. So on it's saying that the 17th of July, a topping pattern, and it sure looks like it before this Humpty Dumpty and the fall right off the wall. Okay, so let's just now go take a look at our module again. So the base case scenario is for a price of around 380. And of course, Tesla's around 311 right now. And it's showing that a year-end base case can take us down to 297. And that the historical estimate has annualized the volatility at just under 60%. We had 3,000 simulated pathways. So let's take a look at the January to December model here. And for these months, these are actual because this has actually happened. And right now, August is our new month, and we're into our forecast for what can happen. This gives us a high and a low evidence for a turn, either a topping or a lowing pattern. So our low price for the end of the year is calling for around December a 218. November 228, and October 238, and September a 250. On the top of that, the September topping should bring us around to 375, October 388, and November around a 400, and December around 415. Now, I'm kind of the opinion that, we will probably see this low, probably somewhere in here, September and October. And then by the end of the year, we'll have a 30, 45 day or a 60-day bull campaign running us up into just around the 400 mark here from what this is showing. So I wanted to just point that out and show you what this Python program is capable of doing. So says to us there's a potential high through the 12th to the 24th of July, and of course we did see a potential high there around the, well, it says a potential around the 12th of July. Well, absolutely, we did have the secondary lower tops right in here, so the program did capture this. Okay, let's go back and have a look at the module again. So for our base price scenario, it's calling for around a 380 price scenario, and it's used all these cycles right here. These cycles for lows and highs, and it's weighted them in the amount of evidence that it's using to sift through these models to create the potentials. Our strongest historical anchors are, again, in 2025, just after our top. We had a low here. We got 12 signals from that. And back in March of 2025, we have 11 signals. And July 2025, where we had that high, it's producing 17 signals. And of course, May 27th of last year, when we made a high just in that period of the 19th to the 20th, and I told you to watch out, there would be a top there. So we've got 12 signals from that. So let's go take a look at what this scenario has built for us. It's stating that a year-end scenario can bring us down to 218. It's possible we can get down that low with a base of around 297 or 300 and as high as 415. Okay, well, let's go take a look at the chart now. So it's stating for the end of the year we could be down to a low of this 200 level, which is still, in my opinion, that's, well, I guess if that's what it's stating it could possibly run into, then